today's video, we're knocking out tequila lime steak street tacos. All right, so what we're gonna do today, we have some steaks these are from Winco Steaks. Just regular old steaks. I know a lot of people use skirt steak, strip steak, flank, all that stuff, but hey, we're rednecking it up today, and we're gonna use ribeye. All right, so we're gonna prep our marinade. Now, hey, don't worry about any of this. The entire recipe for everything is down below in the description, so sit back, relax, and let's get it done. Quarter cup of water, quarter cup of brisket mop. All right, so time to move on to the steak. We're just gonna marinate them in a Ziploc bag. I got 4 steaks here. I'm hoping they all fit, but you know me, we'll make it work one way or the other. Oh,
all right.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is take these steaks, put them in the fridge for an hour. We're gonna go get the Weber started, get to work on that salsa.
Oh.
look how amazing these are. Now, don't forget, all the recipe is down in the description. Go print it off, go home and try it. This salsa is amazing. And as for now, hey, I'm gonna get out of here and finish this little taco here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. On today's video, we're knocking out tequila lime steak street taco. Tequila lime steak street taco. Listen, tequila lime street. On today's video, we're knocking out tequila lime steak street tacos. Man, that was a lot.